Mr. Stukov presents Irwin Vise install and Workbench DAX upgrade. Hi guys, this is Irwin 6.5 inch woodworking Vise, $20 only.
Shut up and take my money!
So let's unpack it. It looks pretty solid, moves smoothly. Cast sides is pretty thick, Vise is heavy. So let's install it. I use piece of hardwood, maple, to make pads. These pads will protect your wood from scratch. And you use 1-inch screws to secure pads to the vise, like this. And also use lock screws with washers to secure vise to the bench from the bottom. I want to place my pads with some spacing from the bottom. I don't want that pads will touch the rods when vise is moving, so I use 1/4 inch piece of plywood. You can use anything. And I am going marking pilot holes for screws.
We have a drill. We're going to drill.
I decided to mount my vise to the right side of the bench because I'm right-handed and usually use plane with my right hand. I want that my vise pads will be the same level with the table surface, so I measure the distance and transfer it to my spacer. This holes used to secure vise to the workbench, so I drill holes here and then make it wider to provide access for the screwdriver and screw to secure pad to the bench. Marking holes for the rods, so I drill pilot holes for the lag bolts because they thick, and holes for the rod. So now I'm going to add some retractable piece of wood here. I made it from oak, so my vise will able to hold piece of wood using my Workbench DAX system. I'm copy middle of the vise along my workbench and mark places for dug holes. I spread it evenly for every 3 inches. Protecting surface with paste wax, and this is dug. And now I show you how it can be used. Okay, so do this. Okay. And now example for a little bit longer piece of wood.